Who the hell was that? Okay. Don't ask what all this is. I don't want to show my face. 1 million subscribers. 1 million subscribers and I'll show my face. But yeah, this video got 5 likes, so I'm doing a cooking video. God forbid I'm gonna burn the house down. Yeah, so I don't know even what I'm gonna cook. So I should probably make a phone call on my phone here and see what I'm gonna ask and see what's in the budget for cooking. So hold on a sec. So yeah, what am I even gonna make? And how much money do I have to work with? Why am I even doing this? So yeah, I do know what I'm gonna make. I'm pretty much... Oh no, I almost knocked over the ketchup, but yeah. You don't get to see what's under the face, but under the mask. But I'm pretty much going to be making pigs in a blanket. Just without like hot dogs or whatever. Alright, so yeah. I just got croissant rolls, pepperoni, and some string cheese. And I'm going to be making pigs in a blanket. Like I said on Twitter, don't expect much from me. I'm not a gourmet chef, but we're going to see how these turn out. Alright, so now I'm just going to do like a fast motion of me just preparing everything. So this won't probably take very long. Now that I think about it, I get these are pigs in a blanket, but they're more like pizza bites more than anything. So hopefully you guys will enjoy. I don't even know how to cook, so I don't even know how to open this. Alright, now we got all the biscuits cut up. You can't really see, but now we're gonna start putting everything together and rolling them all up. I am not good at this. I had the pepperoni blocking here the entire time. 4 down, 4 to go. And if that one just rolled over, I will eat you first. Ugh, come on. I won't say I hate cooking. I love the eating part. I just hate the preparation and cleaning part. So that's probably why I wouldn't mind doing another one of these, but again, I only cook because I have to, since I practically live by myself all the time. You know what I just realized? I've been making all these and preparing all of them, and I haven't even preheated the oven, so these are just going to be sitting out here. Oh my god. Before I finish this one, I'm going to preheat the oven. And it says to cook it for 9 to 12 minutes. So these are going to be sitting out here. That's not good for like however long that's going to take to heat up and preheat for 375. That's cool. Oh yeah, let's make a cooking video if this gets 5 likes. I'm stupid. Even though it's actually going pretty good. Also, only like 4 or 5 of you are probably even going to watch this. Alright, well there's our pigs in a blanket, or pizza bites, whatever you want to call it. I don't have marinara! Fuck! It has come to my attention that I don't have any marinara sauce, so this sucks. Like, these are going to be fine on their own if they come out how I'm thinking they will, but I don't have marinara. And I would have made these 100 times better. At least I don't think I have marinara. Hold on a sec. I don't have marinara, but I found dessert. Definitely just made this pecan pie right now. Definitely didn't get it from Walmart yesterday. No, I'm chef. See, I'm a chef. This is how I cut the pepperoni, you know, and yeah, there's a Ziploc. Good thing I have plastic bags or sandwich bags. Alright, it's been about 9 minutes now. Just ignore this, I have to do this, or else the alarm will go off, my dog will go ballistic, but let's see how they look. Ooh, you know, I'd say they're done. Now you know what? I'm gonna take them out now. Oh my god. These actually look delicious. These look very good. I wanted to get some chocolate chips and marshmallows and stuff too to make like dessert ones. I probably should have done that, but I just wanted to get home because I hate going to the store. But yeah, we're gonna let those cool off and we're gonna try them. A lot of the cheese came out though, which is kind of disappointing, but whatever. They look delicious. Don't ask why I've done different outfits for each part. I'm just trying to do something entertaining here, but yeah. So we're gonna try these now, but I need one more thing first. Oh, you better be drinking your milk and your water. You guys gotta stay hydrated. You don't understand. I'm gonna break the first one open first. See how stringy it'll be. Oh, hallelujah. Alright, here we go. You know what? This is really good. I'm happy I did this. If you want to do something that's both really quick and tasty, do this. You know what? I'm really happy I did this. This is really good. I'm being rude with talking with food in my mouth. A good cooking video, even though it really wasn't much cooking, it was just preparing. I wasn't even cooking anything, but these are delicious. This is probably going to be my one and only cooking video, unless you guys want to see more. Because this was pretty easy, not going to lie. Anybody can do it. I should try doing something more difficult if I do anything again, which I probably won't. Because A, it would take too long, and B, I'm lazy. So, yeah, hopefully you all enjoyed. But if you have recommendations and you want to see, if this video gets 10 likes, I'll do another cooking video. I doubt even 10 people will watch this, but yeah, 10 likes, I'll do another cooking video. Leave in the comments what you want to see me cook. And yeah, hopefully you all enjoyed. And yeah, thank you for watching. By the way, I'm not a Lakers fan at all. I just really like LeBron. Bring him back!